Okay, so
This is the scenery.
this is the scenery.
of the
Wow,
waterfall.
so cool, you know. Let's stay here and enjoy the scene for a while. And if you watch carefully, you can see the animals in the pond. What is that? Turtle, right?
Don't think can you see it?
Can. Of course can. There's a fish, there's a turtle.
Oh yeah.
The fish is trying to nibble some, I
Leaf.
don't know, some greens.
Oh no, that's a catfish. The viscous catfish. It has whiskers. It's trying to steal food from the turtle.
No lah, it's just chopping leaves and fruits. They drop into the water.
No, he's trying to disturb the turtle.
Yeah. Turtle eat leaves, right?
No, the turtle was eating some kind of fallen fruit, I think.
Yeah, fallen fruits.
Then the
Fish
fish
also
was
eating.
stealing it from it.
Who steal whose? It belongs to everybody lah.
Yeah,
You
I
can't
guess they
steal
are
from
sharing.
nature. They are sharing food. They are not stealing.
Oh no, that's not a leaf. That's a bread. Someone must have threw bread.
No, it's not bread. It's really some kind of
It's a
fruits
bread.
or
Just
no,
now,
it's not
just
bread.
now he flipped. I could see the.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
He flip ah?
You see the one there? He flipped over. It's a good bread.
No, I can't see that it's
Further,
bread.
don't know.
I don't know.
See
I
the
can't see
turtle go to that thing now. Further on, you see?
bread ah.
Yeah, it's fluffy.
Maybe. So they all love bread, just like us. We love bread.
I guess so. But this is a very quiet place.
Yeah. Except when you really listen to it, you can hear the car sound. When you go back, right?
Oh,
You
yeah.
hear the car sound.
The distance.
Because somehow our brain are able to muffle the car sound and hear the birds and see the fishes. But when you go back on your TV, right, you'll hear a lot of this vehicular sound. Ho,
Yeah.
ho.
Oh, but it's surprising there's a catfish here. Not two.
Nothing surprising lah.
Two catfish.
There's always catfish. There are also soon hawk. There are huge fishes inside. Because why? Small fish will attract big fish. Because big fish will feed on small fish. It's an animal eating animal world.